Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAITraining.com, and in this video, I'll guide you on how to grow your career and become an AI specialized supply chain analyst. We'll explore the essential skills, certifications, and steps you need to take to excel in this cutting edge field. Whether you're just starting out or looking to pivot your career, this video will provide you with a clear roadmap to success. Let's dive in. By becoming an AI specialized supply chain analyst, you can future-proof your skills in an ever-evolving industry. With AI expertise, you'll unlock more job opportunities as companies increasingly seek professionals who can integrate AI into their operations. Additionally, AI skills can lead to higher salaries as they make you more efficient and productive, leveraging AI as your assistant. You'll also gain a competitive edge, staying ahead of industry trends and innovations. Plus, you'll contribute to smarter, more resilient supply chains, driving significant business impact. Ready to transform your career? Let's get started. At CompleteAITraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program designed to help you become an AI specialized supply chain analyst. Our curriculum is tailored to equip you with the latest AI tools and techniques, ensuring you stay ahead in this rapidly advancing field. As AI developments continue to accelerate, we commit to keeping you updated on all the new advancements relevant to supply chain management. This way, you'll always be at the forefront of innovation, ready to apply cutting-edge AI solutions to real-world challenges. Our AI video training programs are specifically designed for aspiring AI specialized supply chain analysts. We offer the latest prompt courses, custom GPTs tailored for supply chain tasks, and a curated selection of AI tools. With our course and certification program, you'll gain the expertise needed to excel in this dynamic field. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAITraining.com and search for supply chain analysts. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert supply chain analyst. You can start a 3-day trial today.